What happens when you mix free AI tools with 600-year-old history? Do you know what this is? Looks like a bunch of gears and wooden beams, right? Now what about this? Believe it or not, this thing was just as revolutionary nearly 600 years ago, maybe even more so as this is today. Let's be real. Gutenberg's printing press was the smartphone of the Renaissance. It changed everything. And today, I'll break down exactly how I created this animated historical video all about the printing press using several AI tools in Canva. No face, no fluff, and no crazy expensive software. If you've ever wanted to make documentary-style videos, faceless explainers, or just geek out on history with your own creative twist, then this is for you. Let's get started. I'm in ChatGPT, and the first thing I'll do is write the story for this historical video. I asked for help with a printing press idea for a 2-minute video. Here is some information with the visuals, etc., all divided into scenes. I asked it for very detailed descriptions and also prompts for each of the scenes. So here's a narration with camera movements, which is really helpful. If you're not happy with what it gives you, redo your prompt and ask again. Then I took what it gave me, made several edits, added some missing information, and now that I'm ready, it's time to take all this and go to step 2. I'm in text-to-speech OpenAI, and this is where I'm going to record the narration for my story. It is free. There are all sorts of voices in here, different ages, accents, and of course genders. Just choose whichever one you want. If you want to hear one, click on the little sample section here. To record something, go back to Vocalize. This is where you paste in your text. Over here is where you actually choose the voice you want to use. I'm going to try Albert, and make sure it's highlighted. Now choose Create Speech, and it'll start working. In just a few minutes, it will be done. Here's my recording. If you want to listen to it, click here to download it. Now it's ready for me to use, so let's go on to the next step. All right, now I'm ready to make the art for my historical video. Today I'm using NightCafe. You can create beautiful images and even short videos here. It's an excellent AI art generator and one I've used for a few years now. If you haven't tried it before, I encourage you to check it out. My video is about the printing press and how it's affected history. These are some images I've made for this video, back when people had to handwrite their stories to pass them from person to person. So let's make an image together. I'll go to Create, then click on Text to Image. Next, I'll choose a model and put my prompt here. Then I'll choose how many images I want to make, aspect ratio, etc., then click Create. Here are how many credits it'll cost. Once it's done, it will display all of them right down here. Here are my new images. Really nice. If you want to see each bigger, just click down here. You can also upscale inside NightCafe. I'll do that. If you scroll down a little bit, here are your output images. This is the one that I just upscaled, so that's how you do that. Once you've made all your artwork for your video, then you're ready to go on to the next step. So now I'm ready to start turning my images into mini videos. I'm in Freepik. First I'll go to the AI suite here, then to Video Generator, and click on that. Now I'll come over here and put in my starting image. Then I'll work my way down. I changed the prompt a little. Then I'll go to Effects and choose Static. Now I'll choose 5 seconds and 16:9. Then I'll click on Generate. So while that video is processing, I'll make another one. First, I'll delete that image, then get the next image and put it here. Let me adjust my prompt, and this time I'll actually choose from one of these camera movements. Again, I'll choose 5 seconds, 16:9, then click Generate. Let's go back and see what we have gotten so far. That one is really nice, so I'll click Export and download it. So just keep repeating this process for all the images you've made for your video project. Once you're ready, the next thing you'll need to do is put everything all together. Time to go on to the next step. All right, I'm in Canva and it's time to start putting this video together. To save some time, I've already started working on it. This purple area is my audio narration. I've already added it and split it up into logical scenes. And these are some of the mini videos that I've animated from my original images. And if you want to add videos to Canva, it's very easy to do and basically the same process as adding sound or images. You basically just drag them to the uploads area and Canva will separate them into the correct section. When you're ready to use them, there's two different ways. You can either manually expand it that way, Or go here and click on Set Video's Background to make it fill the page. Either way is fine. Basically, I'm doing the same thing for the whole video. If you want to add something, just drag it over here and drop it in. Now I'll add some music. I've come to my YouTube channel and I'm in the Creator Music section looking for a new song. Since these are all inside YouTube already, I know that they will be safe to use. Just make sure you double check your license details first because some are free and some are paid. I'll choose this one.
Now I'll go back to my story and drag it in. I'll add it here. You can click on this and adjust the volume or even mute it. So that's how you add sounds or music. You do the same thing with sound effects. So basically, you put all your pieces together in here like a puzzle to make a complete video. Your videos and your images are here, your narration is here, and music and sound effects down there. When you're finished, go to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, make sure all your pages are chosen, then click Download. Soon you'll be able to use it in your YouTube channel, on social media, your website, or wherever you want to share it. So now you know the process, it's time to make one for yourself. What kind of video will you make? Please share in the comments below.
One invention, centuries ago, changed everything. Can you imagine a world without books, the internet, or even your phone? No way to instantly look up information, no way to read stories or share ideas. But for most of history, this was reality. Books were rare, and knowledge was a privilege for only a few. Before the printing press, reading and writing were skills reserved for the elite. Books were hand-copied, expensive and rare. Most people lived their entire lives without ever reading a single word. Then, in the 15th century, everything changed. In 1440, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press, a game-changing machine that could mass-produce books using movable type. Now, knowledge could spread quickly and cheaply. No longer did books need to be painstakingly copied by hand. Ideas could reach anyone, anywhere. Education flourished as more people gained access to books. And the Protestant Reformation exploded, with Martin Luther's ideas spreading rapidly across Europe. From science to art, the printing press sparked revolutions in thought. Its legacy continues today.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.